It's amazing, when we are reminded about the truth that the Christian life is not a bed of roses. Kala kasi natin pag na-born again ka, pag nagtiwala ka na kay Jesus, pag tinanggap mo na ang Panginoong Jesus sa buhay mo, everything will be okay. Everything will be nice and smooth and easy. Hindi pala bed of roses ang Christian life. There are thorns. There are oppositions. There are persecutions. Minsan nga, pag naging born again ka, mas marami pang challenges eh. Mas marami pang magagalit sa'yo, magtatampo sa'yo. Oh, ba't di ka na sumasama sa gimmick ng tropa? Ba't hindi ka na tulad dati na hanggang umaga may hangover ka pa? Ba't wala ka ng bisyo? Ba't di ka na ng bababae tulad namin? Ba't di ka na nalalaki tulad nila? Bakit ba ayaw mo nang makisama sa amin? Nagagalit yung mga tao sa atin. Because we chose the path of God. Di ba? Nagagalit. So si Apostle Peter, he was writing to the Christians to encourage them to keep doing what is right, even when everyone is doing what is wrong. To keep doing what is godly, even though they bash us or cancel us. Problema, minsan tayo, we became complacent, very comfortable na yung ating Christian life.